Is that what needs to happen? There, then your song is up. Whee! Shit. Okay. Go home. Okay. Ah. Someday the tongue is gun will take our leave and go. Whee! Hell yeah, let's go. Treat. Okay, now what? Then do the thing. Huh? You want to close and reopen it. This is teaching you skill fall shooting rather than placing. Oh God. Time will take, I'll leave and go. Okay. Gotta look. Hope your brain becomes huge. What's happening now? What the hell? Okay. Alright. Ah. Missed. I missed. I fired. Damn it. Let me back up. Just so I can see it. Oh, I did it. Oh. Whoops. I somehow did it. You hit it by mistake? Oh. I was like, I somehow did it.
Nice.
I tell you, plan, big brain. Ugh.
You accidentally did that on purpose.
Oh my God. I can't believe I did that, dude. What the hell do I have to do? Oh God. Oh. Ah, shit. This is the jump button. Okay. Okay. I don't know how the hell I hit it. I need a replay on that. You're going opposite way on the escalators. I'm pretty sure I did that right. Right? Yeah, I'm sure I did that right. Oh, hello. Ah! Whoops. Was it tasty, Theos? Yeah. I love the orange balls. Did that do anything for me? Am I crazy? Oh, it did, okay. I am just crazy. What? This is where three pairs of this is where 3 pairs of hands would be useful. Am I missing something? Oh my god, how dare they? Okay. Okay. Ah! Whoops. I promise I'm big brain. Okay, what am I doing? Okay. Pew. Pew. Okay. Alrighty.
Yeah, this is a big brain.
Go! Go, my ball! What the fuck? Ball, what the fuck? Ball. Ball, you have failed me. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, okay, okay. Okay, okay. Okay, 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 okay. Here we go, here we go. Shoot. What the fork?